This is how to change font style in Overleaf resume. Go to Overleaf and from your project dashboard, you can create a new resume or you can edit an existing one. We will edit this my CV. Then to change font, we will use a package, and that depends on what font style we want to change. If we want to change it to Palatino, we will use package and math Pazo for Palatino and click recompile. And the font style has been changed. And if you want to change it to Helvetica, use Helvet. Then add renew command. On the first parenthesis, we will use family default. And on the second, it'll be SF default. Then recompile. Then you have just changed your font style into Helvetica. So this is how to change a font style in Overleaf resume.